Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the obvious equipment and then move quickly into settings so you fix audio now. First, confirm the headset or speakers are plugged in and powered. Swap ports if needed. Next, open Windows Sound, set the correct playback and recording devices as default, and then open Microsoft Teams and pick that same device under Devices. Once done, run a Teams test call to hear the result and observe microphone and speaker level indicators so you know what to adjust next. Now, dig into drivers and precise device settings because many issues hide there. Update or, if a recent update broke sound, roll back the audio driver in Device Manager, then restart the PC. After that, open Sound Device Properties and set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz and turn off exclusive mode to prevent other apps from taking control. Once configured, quit Teams fully and clear its cache folders so stale settings don't persist. Then relaunch Teams and retest audio to confirm improvements. Finish by eliminating the remaining software and hardware causes so you restore reliable audio. If Teams still fails, reinstall the desktop app or switch to the Teams web client in Chrome or Edge to verify whether the issue is app-specific. Also run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and accept recommended fixes. It will repair services and settings automatically. Finally, if sound remains unreliable, try a different USB port or a known good headset to isolate hardware. This single check often reveals whether the problem is device or system related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.